How to repair Samsung phones. Samsung is one of the best phone brands in the market. They have great devices with awesome features. However, as the phone gets old, you are bound to get some problems. These can really dampen your spirits if you do not know how to solve them. Check out these common solutions for your Samsung repairs. 1. Overheating of the phone. This is one of the most encountered problems in Samsung phones. The phone tends to overheat due to the large displays and large batteries. When your phone tends to overheat periodically, then you could be having trouble with your hardware. One of the things you are advised to do is to remove the battery after you have switched off the phone. Very poor batteries mostly cause the power problem as well as hardware problems. Always ensure that your phone battery is only from Samsung. If your device still overheats, ensure you report this to the nearest Samsung repairs. 2. Draining of the battery. Samsung consumers have been experiencing this problem in phones with large screens. Active applications and the screen itself mostly cause this problem. These factors can help you prolong your battery life. Ensure that the timeout of your screen is adjusted. Always switch off your Bluetooth. Make sure that the light of your phone is dim. When you are not using your Wi-Fi, switch it off. Ensure that you have disabled settings for applications that were previously installed. Use wallpapers that are not live. Always switch off your LTE settings. Ensure that the settings of your location service are off. 3. Freezing of the screen. When you find that the screen is not responding, the easiest thing to do is to switch it off and then switch it on. If the problem persists, just remove the battery from the back. When this does not work, then reset your phone. 4. Microphone and audio issues. When your phone experiences some audio problems, you can switch it off and then on. Then you can go to audio settings to see if they are set correctly. If this does not work, you can just go to the back of the phone and make sure the speaker is not being blocked. Samsung smartphones are so fun, especially with the new and amazing features. These do not come without their own setbacks. A phone will always develop problems even when it has not aged. The best thing is to know how to handle these problems. If a problem is too huge, you can always take it back to a Samsung repair shop.